In this video, I will show you how to share a private repository on GitHub. Now, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing I'd like you to do is log on to your GitHub account. Now, once you're logged in, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the far right of the screen where there's an icon that displays your display image. We're going to click on it and we're going to click on repositories. Now, once we are on the repositories, we're going to look for the repository, the private repository that we want to share, and we're going to click on it. Now, since the repository is private and it's only and we are the only ones that are able to see it, in order to share this repository, we're going to have to invite people into the repository. So we're going to invite other developers into our repository, and we're going to give them access to the repository. And to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to go to settings. Under settings, we're going to go to the left and we're going to come to the collaborators tab. After we're done verifying, we're going to come here to manage access and we're going to come to add people. Now here we're going to search for the developer that we want to add to this repo, using their username, full name, or email. So you can either choose to use an email, or we can choose to use a GitHub username. And once we do that, we're able to invite them to the repository, and we've been able to share the repository with them. Now that's how you share a repository on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.